On the 12th of September 2024, members of the Hnyotreb Youth Council HYC expressed their discontent over plans by a Hindu religious leader to hold a press conference regarding an upcoming rally against cow slaughter. The rally, scheduled for the 2nd of October 2024 in Shillong, would feature Jyotish Pithadhishwar Shankaracharya Avimukteshwarananda, who intends to declare the cow as the mother of the nation. Media personnel were surprised by the presence of both the HYC members and police officers outside the Shillong Press Club today, as the pressure group had not been invited or informed about the press conference. HYC President Roy Kupar Sundram and other members of the organization had gathered outside the venue but were unable to meet the religious leader Brahmachari Mukundanand, a representative of the Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Avimukteshwarananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, as he did not attend the scheduled 1 p.m. event. Roy Kupar Sundram emphasized that the HYC had no intention of interfering with the press club's activities but sought to speak with the organizers after learning that the purpose of the press conference was to announce the anti-cow slaughter rally. The press invitation circulated the previous evening did not disclose the subject of the press conference. When contacted, Yogaraj Sarkar, the national media in charge for Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Ji Maharaj, claimed that they had not received permission from the press club to hold the event. In response, the Shillong Press Club announced that it would issue a statement reaffirming its neutrality on the matter.
Are you planning to stop them?
No. Just to talk to them.
Stopping them.
We have watched them, how they've given statement in Arunachal, in Nagaland. Their intention is that to bring a ban on cow slaughter or on beef consuming. Kumbakitip hangi tingi beef is something that being ban. Kimla mamaki kinwan dictate ini. So we want to understand the point of view.
I think it's best if you
Em là đặc kiwan pat ni kenduk kum
look opposite the gate.
Okay, no problem.
Stand opposite the gate when they come.
Yes, ngin kenduk iki ngin kan ngin kali angin penpau ro, but any plan to help to ban pelong rally apa Meghalaya hi we won't allow.
That we will talk that. Alright. So please.
Em there ketiga gate bak sendai.
Ketiga gate opposite the gate.
Okay. Ya sendai kan.
Just to we can allow. Not the gate.
Opposite.
Yeah, opposite. Yeah. No. That we cannot allow. Hang
We have to make sure
Yeah. They'll come. Yeah. They have to use the front gate. Nilai keren kan ngira mau ulah persediaan lah ya persediaan dalam berlangsung. Maka hakini ka siti bagi hak sini di orang baik dah tolong ya press conference tentang kejadian yang aku bahaya kasi after kita mention ya ka isu sebenarnya keren itu untuk orang mud halal pada masih dengan keren itu mana resuman kalam hi sita orang zaman tadi mau tahu bahaya kasi lompat boy dengan cancel lah press conference dia kata same dengan siapa kan
em ni kajingwan kajongi ro kata luar bangi yo jikte pakinwan angi la follow ki mentah ki arlai tri state trong north east kadi jo ka kunhun ka bele Arunachal ka bele Chanangala kajing tmu ka jongki ka long ban pena mentah ka singi bakan don ka rally nam ta ban khang bam do amasi no ta ta ni wan artarik ki mot bolong ta ta demele kajing tmu ka jongi ka long ban wan ban kren ki ban keli ki de ki wan demele ri akali yang jongi te kajing persya dengan se kren ba di press ke ba di government
okay
kalau sibuk ni kelamuan hang ni ban persya ke press club mang suan ikan ban ni kenduk gini ke bawaan mah amdai bandan ke jingas bu bakla prin
tawa mentalong ni la kan saya